Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2025 Kawasaki EX650. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2025 Kawasaki EX650 with 2,543 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with traction control and ABS. It's been upgraded with speed metal swing arm spools. Powered by a 649cc parallel twin engine, the Ninja puts 72 horsepower and 49 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.1-gallon fuel capacity, the Ninja has a 180 to 200-mile fuel range. It has the 31.7-inch seat height and a 461-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and the rear at 530 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. There are surface scratches on the seat material. This bike has an owner's manual, a toolkit, and 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles, and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or KAWASAKI, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.